Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online reputation with Brand Yourself, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting Brand Yourself's official website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and password to register. Once registered, log in to your account. Navigate to the dashboard to access the features. Start by conducting a personal online reputation assessment. Enter your name into the provided search tool. Review the search results to gain insights into your online presence. Identify any negative search results or unwanted content. Use the Remove Search Results feature to address these issues. Follow the prompts to request removals from search engines and websites. Next, focus on building a positive online presence. Create profiles on relevant social media platforms. Optimize these profiles with professional images and accurate information. Share regular, positive content related to your interests or expertise. Consider writing blog posts or articles to showcase your knowledge. Utilize the SEO tools provided by Brand Yourself. Select keywords that are relevant to your personal brand. Incorporate these keywords into your online profiles and content. Monitor your online presence regularly using Brand Yourself alerts. Set up notifications for any new mentions of your name online. Adjust your strategy based on the alerts you receive. Lastly, engage with your audience through comments and messages. Respond promptly and professionally to maintain a positive image. Continue to update and enhance your online reputation regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.